In today's video, I'm working on an oval canvas and I'm going to do some string pulls. I have a really light blue mixed up for my base coat, and then I have some dark blue and gold mixed up for what I'll use for my string pull colors. And I just have these mixed up with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water. I'm not interested in cells, so I'm not using any silicone and I'm not using any Floetrol. And so I'm just going to start off by putting my light blue down and using a metal spatula to just smooth it out over my surface and get a really nice base coat. Once I have my base coat down, I just have two different chains that I'll be using, one for each color. And I'm just going to start out by putting my dark blue as my first coat, and then I'm going to layer string pulls of the gold on top of that. So I'm just putting my chain into my dark blue paint, and I'm just making sure that I have some good coverage over that chain. And then I'm just going to gently put it onto my canvas in an S shape, and then gently pull straight down off of the canvas. And creating that S shape, each of those loops kind of creates a petal shape when you're pulling your chain through the paint. So you could try different shapes, but I just like the way that this one looks. So I just continued to add some of that blue down and created a few more chain pulled flowers. Once I had some blue down, I did the exact same technique with the gold. I just added my chain to the gold paint and made sure I had some good coverage on that chain, and then just gently put it in an S shape onto my canvas and then pulled it down off of the canvas to create my shape. I did a few more very small flowers towards the front. And I really like the way that this one turned out. Overall, it dried really nicely. The blue and that gold are really bold and vibrant against that lighter background and look really nice. And each of my chain pulled flowers turned out really well. So I was very happy with this piece. But let me know what you think about this one down in the comments below. If you like these chain pulls, let me know what colors you'd like to see next, and I'll definitely branch out and do some more. I think doing it on an oval canvas like this was really fun and has a lot of potential for some different really pretty paintings. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do post 2 videos a week right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.